Hi everyone, welcome back to Banking and Crypto Guide. In today's tutorial episode, I'm back with another easy to follow tutorial on how to log into your Torrid credit card online. Watch the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting that subscribe button. Press the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. Open up a web browser to get started. In the URL box, type in d.community.net/torrid and press enter on your keyboard. The Torrid credit card is issued by Community Bank, so you'll end up in this page. Now, from this page, click on the sign in button at the top of the screen and this will bring up the login area on the right hand side of the screen. To log in and access your credit card account, you'll need to fill in your details. If you don't have an online access yet, you'll need to register by clicking on the Register Now button at the bottom and follow through the on-screen prompts. If you already have an account registered, go to the first text box and type in the username associated with your Torrid credit card account. On the next field where it says password, type in your correct password. If you don't remember your username or your password, you can get help by clicking on this Forgot Username/Password link. Follow through the on-screen prompts in order to get hold of your credentials. If you'd like the system to remember your credentials in this particular device, click on this Remember Me box before signing in. But if you're using a public or a shared device, make sure to leave the box unchecked. Finally, click the Sign In button and you'll be able to get access to your Torrid credit card online. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll be back soon with more videos like this. Thank you for watching.